You're my sunshine in the rain when it's pouring. Won't you give yourself to me? Give it all. I just wanna see. I just wanna see how beautiful you are. You know that I see it. I know you're a star. Where you go, I'll follow. No matter how far. If I was a movie, oh, you're the best part.
Hey guys, it's me, Christina, and today I'm here to show you guys how I do my eyebrows, because I know I do my eyebrows every time I do a makeup video, but I never get too in-depth and show y'all like how I really, you know, fleek it like I do. So in this video, I'm dedicating it just to these things right here, and I'm going to show you guys how I do them. So what you guys will need is concealer, your eyebrow pencil, of course, or if you use gel, pomade, whichever one. I just use a pencil. I do know how to do it with a pomade. If you guys want to see how I do it with a pomade, thumbs up this video. You'll need a spoolie, and you'll need your brush, a flat brush or angle brush works. So yeah, okay, let me get comfortable first. Gotta get comfortable. Don't mind King's clothes in the back. Don't mind me, don't mind me. Okay, so we're gonna start off with the spoolie. Can I move my hair like today? Oh, I think I'm like actually pushing into my frontal. Okay, so I'm gonna brush them going upwards and then moving them down towards like to the shape that I want. My eyebrows are starting to grow back in. I did shape them around Christmas, so yeah, they're growing back in, but I don't like to cut them yet until they're fully grown back in, because when you keep cutting them, after you cut them, like, then you'll see they start to get thinner. My eyebrows, like, even when they grow out, they're not as thick as they used to be, because I used to just, when I see like little hairs growing in, I want to cut it. Don't do it. So then I'm gonna take my eyebrow pencil. This is the eyebrow pencil. It's the color dark brown. It's from She Makeup. I really love these pencils. I hope you guys can see me. And I'm gonna go here and I'm gonna just start drawing a line. You're gonna see me bring the line and I just round it out. So if you guys can see, round it out, start with your line like that. And I'm just bringing it a little forward, because for my brows, I do bring them kinda forward. And then I'm gonna go in between the hairs, and I'm just gonna add a product to them slowly. As I get to the top, I'm very light. When you get here, be very, very, very light on it. Okay? Now I'm gonna take my spoolie and I'm just gonna move the hairs back to where they belong. I'm doing that lightly. Don't do it so it moves your makeup around. Move it lightly, move the hairs. Then down here, I'm gonna go a little heavier to sort of move the makeup a bit. And then here, we're gonna start here. We're gonna create a line. And I just start and I go. Hey guys, happy golden. Know how they go. But yeah, so that's what I was about to do. Yes, I'm making a line. And I just curve it. You see where I sort of curved it? because now I'm going back to the bottom, and this time I'm doing it lighter. Don't do it as heavy as you did the first line. Okay, y'all see that? And I go here and go in. See, never touch that point. Don't touch that point. Don't touch it ever. Now I'm taking this and I'm just spooling on the point where I don't. I'm grabbing product like this and moving it to there. You don't touch there with your spoolie. So just comb the hair back once again. I like to do this a lot. I do it, I comb the hairs back, and then I go into spots where it's like not touched. Y'all see, I'm going very light. You don't need to go hard, because you just don't. Okay, and this time give it medium strength. Medium, this is medium strength I'm giving it. Okay, y'all probably like, what the did you just do? This is why the spoolie is your best friend. You're gonna spoolie it out to get your brow hairs on top again. Okay. Yeah, like, okay. That looks like hell. Go in again for your bottom row. Medium strength on it. Okay. Okay, I'm just combing upward and then just bringing the other hairs down. Now we take our concealer. This is in GC 979. How am I reading it upside down? Powers. Okay, so I'm squeezing it out. Get our flat brush and just do a line underneath here. And just follow. Every time I do, I sort of like lift my eyebrow up a little bit, which helps. When I first used to do my brows, in order to find or make the arch, I used to hold my brow up like this. I'm gonna show you when I do this one. So y'all see, I just made a line and just sort of really move it through your brow. And you put it right underneath all the product. That's just a sharpen to give it that sharp look. Okay. And some people go in with darker colors on top because they don't want a halo look when they do their brows, but I don't get that because I just blend. Like, it's nothing to blend. So I start in here. The line, and then I'm gonna take it and just do the same thing I did really with the other one. With the lower line. Just bring it out to really just, okay, get some more product. You can bring this to the front now. Let me turn it down. Just turned it down a little bit. And just go in and really run. Sometimes I do 2 layers of the concealer. Sometimes I don't. It really just depends on how I'm feeling. I'm gonna do 2 layers at the bottom. So I just did 1 concealer. Now I'm gonna go in again with some more. Only because when my brows aren't done, when I have the little hairs going, put a lot of concealer on the hairs and let it sit before you blend it out. And it will sort of cover the concealers. I mean the concealers, the hairs. So I'm just going, taking the excess from just now. And there we go. So now I'm going to show y'all another way to do your brows. Okay, so we're going to start with the brush and concealer. Make sure your eyebrows spoolie out. We did that in the beginning, but I'm just, spoolie it. I'm going to hold this up so I can really know. And then I'm gonna go in with my concealer. You can see it. Huh? Take it and go upwards. I'm not completely touching my brows because that's what we're gonna build up the product. So as y'all can see, boom. Then we're gonna do the top. A lot of people do their brows like this because it just, once they established, the arches and stuff of how they're gonna do it, then all they have to do is just go and fill it in. So this is also an effective way to do it. I don't really mind which way I do it. It really doesn't matter. Now you go in and you fill in, the spots. Never go too harsh on the top end, like I told you before. So I'm just really just going in and filling it. Same way I filled this one, filled that one, but see, it goes a little quicker because like I'm not filling in unnecessary parts like on this. So now I'm just going and just, for the mistakes. But everything is, the concealer is already on it, so I didn't pick up no new concealer. I'm just rubbing the other concealer more in. Okay. Now, spoolie, just grab some more of the hair and give that light effect into the dark effect. Add a little more. When you see light spots, then you know, like, oh, that's a light spot. So let me add something in there. Okay, so I'm just, I hate when they look far apart, but they really don't belong too close together. Okay, so now it's done. I'm just taking this and I'm just concealer a little bit. Not moving it, like fake starting to blend it out. Then I got it. Yeah, so now I'm just blending the concealer into my face. Turn my thing back up. And yeah, that's how you can do your brows. Simple and easy. Either way. So, yep, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please like, comment, subscribe, and share this video. So, yeah. Turn on your post notifications so y'all can get notified every time I upload a new video. Okay? Oh, we heard you, Ken. Say hi. Okay, now say bye-bye. No, bye-bye. He don't want to get away from camera now. Say bye-bye. No, booby? So say bye-bye. Bye-bye. Bye-bye.